In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on additional settings. Then click on one-handed mode and click on gray switcher next to it to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. Lastly, to disable it completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!